driver Keith Oliver. Coast 7 to 1. Third choice is number 2. Here Comes Numbers, along with the 8 E.W. Fisher. Gate is rolling its third race post time. Trotters lined up, ready for a start. Here they come. They are off and trotting, and a good beginning down the center. Bullet fires out, so does Amigo de Grande. Center of the racetrack joining them is Cybercast, pushing through from the rail is Pouf K. Up on the outside, driving up now is E.W. Fisher. Charlie is a joker, got a good seat early. He dropped in to be 6th. Further back in 7th, trots along Here Comes Numbers. And the final 3 in the group, we go further back to find Incredible Frank, followed by Roush Hanover, and the early breaker is Charmbo Tai. Quarter speed in 27 seconds flat. Long shot leader Cybercast clear the field by 3. Back in the pocket position, Amigo de Grande from in second. Third towards the rail for Bullet. Racing off in 4th is Pouf K. Gap of 2 more lengths back inside to E.W. Fisher from in 5th. Another 2 to Charlie is a joker from in 6th now. 7th as they continue their way across the backstretch. That is Here Comes Numbers, and the field is coming up to the midway point. Action out of the 3-hole as Bullet is fired to the outside into a 56-second first half tempo, and here comes a backstretch brushing Bullet. Bullet to the front now, second at the inside for Cybercast. Trotting up third to the outside now comes Pouf K. Picking up his cover outside, 4th is E.W. Fisher. Then a locked up Amigo de Grande. Charlie's a joker covered up 6th. Filiot's got him 4 lengths away from the leader, and just over a quarter of a mile of racetrack remains. Oliver just popped the plugs on Bullet. Bullet scats away now to a 2-length lead, 3/4 in 1:25 and 1. Bullet the one to catch as they turn for home, and it's Bullet now by 3, Bullet now by 4, and Bullet opens up coming out of the final turn. Second at the inside, Pouf K. Here comes E.W. Fisher with clear sailing on the outside. Charlie is a joker, revving up for Filion on the far outside. Bullet leads the way. Strides start to shorten on him. E.W. Fisher closing. Charlie is a joker, tenacious on the outside in pursuit. E.W. Fisher down the center. E.W. Fisher to win. Bullet second. Charlie is a joker third. 1:54 and 3.